All modern vehicles come equipped with tire pressure monitoring systems. Mercedes-Benz W205 models, like we're working with today, have in-wheel sensors that can monitor and display tire pressure at each corner of the vehicle. These sensors can fail a few ways. They often corrode from moisture, the internal battery can fail, and they can also be damaged during routine tire service. When replacing a sensor, the ID will have to be registered, so the control module can synchronize with the new sensor. We recommend using OEM sensors when replacing. Before installing a new sensor, be sure to note the new sensor ID number. The ID number will come on a paper label attached to the OEM sensor. It may also be printed on the sensor. When entering the new sensor ID, all the other sensor IDs will also have to be entered. You can find the existing sensor ID numbers under the TPC data stream found within the ADAS group of diagnostics. I suggest emailing the ID report to yourself to have a copy when confirming the correct IDs are registered. Let's see how easy iSCAN makes the registration process. Before beginning, be sure you have the latest Mercedes-Benz software update installed. Connect the vehicle to a suitable vehicle power supply like our PSM2. Tap Diagnostic. Tap Euro. Tap Mercedes-Benz. Tap Service Function. Tap Auto Detect Vehicle. Confirm the correct vehicle has been identified. Press Enter. Tap Service Function, Equipment Function Setup. Tap Quick Service. Scroll to and tap Write Identification Numbers of Tire Pressure Sensors. Read and confirm message. In this example, we have the sensor ID number, so we'll tap Yes. If you don't have the ID number, iSCAN has a built-in function that, in combination with tire pressure adjustments, can ID a sensor. Tap Yes. On the following screen, you'll enter the ID number of the sensor you replaced, along with the remaining existing sensors. Begin with the left front sensor ID. Tap OK when finished and confirm with the remaining 3 wheels. On the next screen, the ID numbers you entered are displayed. Press Enter to continue. ID numbers will be displayed again. This is a good time to double check the numbers you entered against your notes. Press Enter to continue. Read and confirm message on screen. Press Enter to continue. The numbers will be written. When complete, the ID numbers will be displayed again. Press Enter or Exit to end. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos to learn more Mercedes-Benz procedures.